Are more likely to get injured on the job from traffic wrecks than gunshots. But even when they aren't at fault, getting compensation often takes time and lawsuits. Officer Jonathan Soto was just about through with his shift on an April morning in 2016. He was driving on California Street back to the 1st Precinct when he approached the intersection of Flint Street.
And as I'm going through it, I see a car coming straight to the stop sign, and I try to avoid him, but it doesn't really work very well. He hits us almost essentially head-on side impact.
Soto says at first glance his injuries appeared to be minor. He banged up his knee and had some injuries from the seatbelt. But there were more serious injuries to his ear and back. He says the accident caused lingering tinnitus, or ringing of the ears. A police report indicated that the other driver was fleeing from an earlier accident when he collided with Soto's car. He was driving on a suspended license and had no insurance, and a toxicology report showed drugs in his system. Soto, who now serves as an Alabama state trooper, says his city workers' comp claim took care of the initial medical bills. But his attorney, Matt Green, says workers' comp has no provision for pain and suffering or punitive damages.
The comp statute is somewhat limited if you're an injured party, so you're always looking for additional areas of recovery in a really serious crash like this.
Soto sued the other driver, but without insurance, there wasn't much to recover. He reached a settlement earlier this year with his private insurance company over his uninsured motorist coverage. Green says that's something every driver, not just police, should have. He pointed to another client, a Baldwin County Sheriff's deputy who was on routine patrol in 2017 on County Road 87 when he saw a car blow through a stop sign, setting off a high-speed chase.
The defendant crashes into a ditch, pulls out of the ditch, and then slams head-on into the deputy.
In that case, Green says, the defendant had insurance, but it didn't fully compensate the deputy, so he sued his own insurance company to get it paid under the underinsured motorist policy. Brendan Kirby, Fox 10 News.